Hello lovelies, thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this super delicious, soft, fluffy bread. Here are the ingredients I'm using: warm milk, condensed milk, egg, yeast, butter or margarine, flour, and extra flour for kneading, and salt. Into a bowl, add egg, sweeten condensed milk. I'm using condensed milk to enhance the flavor and texture of the bread, and to also make the bread super soft. Add warm milk. Always use warm milk when working with yeast. Add yeast, mix well. Add flour and mix. Please check the description box for full measurements. Knead slightly. Ensure you incorporate all the ingredients. Cover up and leave to proof for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, deflate the dough. Add butter and knead into the dough. Adding the butter at this point will give the dough more buttery flavor. I was going to use margarine, but I changed my mind to butter because butter will make the bread taste richer. Don't be discouraged when the dough is a bit messy. Just continue. It will mix up together. I'm not exaggerating. It will definitely be messy. That's guaranteed. I have to skip some parts of this so that some people will not find it unpleasant. Like, it's really unpleasant, but it is actually worth it. Just keep on doing. I had to wash my hands at some points in order for my hands look clean and beautiful for camera, yeah. This is one of the reasons I love working with bare hands at times. You can at liberty wash your hands anytime as often as possible, unlike gloves. Sprinkle some flour to the kneading surface if the dough is sticky. I didn't need to, I just wanted to show for reference purpose. Form into a ball. Your dough is ready when you poke on it and it bounces back. Kneading should take about 10 to 15 minutes. Place back into a clean bowl and cover for an hour. 40 minutes in a dark place like unused oven or unused microwave, and 20 minutes in the fridge. This will give your bread more complex flavors and better texture. Please, it's fridge and not freezer. If you only have freezer, turn it off. I always love how the dough looks after some time in the fridge. So beautiful. Deflate again and cut into 6. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit on the like button. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? To click on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications to get notified of when I drop new videos. I have lots of amazing videos like this and more just for you. Yeah, just for you. If you try this recipe, definitely you won't go back to store-bought bread. That is confirmed. Like, it's so fluffy, so delicious, so sweet, so buttery. Like, it's super nice. Shape the cut out doughs into perfect round balls. Place in a tray or baking pan and cover for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, deflate and roll each ball with rolling pin or any other instruments you can roll with. Roll out the dough very flat. Flip to the other side and pinch the edges. This is to properly enclose the dough and maintain the structure of the dough when baking. And also it will give your dough a neat appearance. Flipping of the dough allows for even stretching and rolling and also a uniform baked result. Roll well and tuck the edges. Roll the log-shaped dough properly. Rolling the log-shaped dough will help to create layers and structure within the dough. Tucking the edges will keep the shape neat and compact and also for even rising. Repeat the same process for the remaining dough. Place the rolled out logs in a prepared baking pan. Give little space between the logs. Leave to rest for it to proof for 50 minutes. 30 minutes in a dark place and 20 minutes in the fridge. Make egg wash. Break egg, add in milk, whisk together. Brush over the whizzing dough. This will enhance the flavor, texture of the bread. It will give the bread a glossy and golden shine. It will also add richness to the bread. Bake in the preheated oven for 20 minutes at 340 degrees Fahrenheit. After 20 minutes, look at it! Oh my goodness! Oh, this is beautiful. I have to use the word pretty, so pretty. Super soft, yummy, delicious. Oh God, this bread is out of this world. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, click on the subscribe button. Turn on your notification to get notified of when I drop new videos. Bye for now. Catch you on the other flip side. Bye.